Hi y'all, Elsa here with just a few designs, and I'm going to do it, okay? I'm going to show you the two little tins that I've made. They are little chunky monkeys, aren't they? I made two of them, and they're pretty much the same as far as the danglies go. There's a little heart right there, and it's just attached with a big old lobster claw right there. It's like a heart. Can you see that? And then it has beads in black and red and deeper red, and then of course the little black tassel. They each have a heart, and it's all glittery with the exception of this part right here. This is that faux leather. I inlaid a heart, but the heart is also glitter on the inside. These little hearts are made with the Dubu dots, and they did crack a little bit, but I was going to fix that, but I like how that looks. It almost looks like it's a crackled heart. And they both have the same as far as all that's concerned. This little pink area to the bow is the same, matches this glittery right here. That's the back. And it's done with black elastics. So far that is the same, okay? One's gonna have a really cool little gel glittery black ink pen. The other one comes with a red one, and they're really cool. Okay, so all that is the same so far. Now the inside is also made the same. They have this ribbon. Well, this is not ribbon. What is this? This is more like lace. It has a lace on the front and on the back cover. It's cloth. It's gathered and it's sewn all the way around. The two pieces of leather, this is the glittery faux leather, and then the inside has black leather on the inside. And they were glued together first, and then I stitched everything so it's not gonna fall apart on you. All right, so it has pockets on the front and it has pockets on the back, and I added a whole bunch of ephemera. Ooh, you'll hear the ambulance. Ephemera. Now the ephemera is going to be different on each of the minis or the traveler's notebooks, because I didn't have the same. But it's the same feel, and each one is going to have this little pocket right here, and this is really cool because you just peel it off of here. And you can attach it anywhere on the book, like if you attach it to the dashboard that is laminated, then you'll be able to pull it off and on if you want to. And this is really cool because you can put in, if you carry this on your purse, you can put your driver's license or a credit card or a picture, something in there. So they both have this, okay? They both have a pen, a bow pen, paper clip, and this laminated calendar, and it has January through December on it, 2020. And then just a little clip right there that you can use to mark your pages if you wish. This is your bookmark, so you can mark what page you're on, you know. So they both have this, and it's identical. Now, and then they each have this little gold hard paper clip, and they each have this little, I don't know if you can see it. It is some stickers, Valentine stickers, for you to add on your pages or decorate, wherever you want to decorate. And they have little tags, and they're all the same as far as the tags is concerned. And then this little thing right here was part of the pages that I was making, and I didn't want to throw it away because I thought, well, that's a lot of little pages that somebody can use to jot quick little information, like a doctor's appointment or a phone number, something real quick you can just tear off and throw away. So I went ahead and decorated and added it. That's just something extra. I mean, and they both have it. Now the decoration part of it is what's going to be a little bit different. Let me see. You see, the different here is the little bow that has a bow on it, and the hearts that has a bow, and that one doesn't. Those are little epoxy heart stickers. But I try to make them look as identical as possible. Okay, so for the inside, the books, it'll have 3 inserts, and they're all lined inserts. And the inserts are 3.5 by 4.25. And it's a little bit bigger than, I guess, what they call it, the micro. I think that one is 3 by 4, so it's 3.5 by 4.25. And all the little booklets are covered in the same paper. It's just the embellishment that's going to be a little bit different on each of the books. So this is your first insert. Then I went ahead and laminated and added some Recollections bling on it. This one has a 2. A little bit different on the bottom and smaller, and that little ticket is different from this little ticket, but same paper. And this is your dashboard, which goes around one of your lined inserts, and then it has a little doily that I inserted there just for cutesy look, you know, cutesy effect. This one says, "You make the world a better place." The one inside of this says, "I will always love you forever and always," on this one. But if you see the background papers, it's the same. On the other side of the dashboard, I added some sticky notes, pink sticky notes, and that's the same thing that's on this one. You get the pink sticky notes. Then this insert is the same, XO with a little heart that looks identical. And then you get to the back laminated folder. And that one says love, and this one says how wonderful life is while you're in this world, in the world. And it's just a folder, and it has some ephemera in it, which the ephemera is going to be a little bit different. And then you get to the back page with your 2 little pockets. There's a pocket here and a pocket on the front, and it's sewn on, and the pockets are made out of clear acetate. And there you have it. These are the 2 Valentines that I've made, and let me tell you, there's some cute little chunky monkeys, aren't they? I mean, they are chunky. I have one in my purse, and because I'm always wanting to write notes, and I have the fever bad for these. I want one in every size, but these are the first 2. So, and it's going to be first come, first serve. I am not going to take special orders or anything like that, because I am making them as I come across the faux leathers that I find and the mood I'm in. So I'm just going to make them and put them out, and once they're gone, I may reproduce them, I may not, because I also don't have a lot of the same beads, and I don't have a lot of the same for instance, this paper that I used to make these, I don't have any more of that paper. I may have a few stickers, but I don't have any more of the paper. So it'd be hard for me to take orders and then not be able to produce it, because I won't have, like I said, the papers. So anyway, so these are the 2, my first 2. If you like them, please let me know below. I am going to post them also on my blog, and I'm going to post them right here at justafewdesigns.blogspot.com. I will have them posted there too, through PayPal, friends and family, and let me know. I hope you like them. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support. And one other thing I forgot to tell you, you will also get this little baggie, and it's going to be filled with the following, also the same for the exception of the big heart. This one will be red, and this one will be white. Other than that, you will get 2 die cut hearts, and they have the little stitching around them. You will get this little heart with the hearts cut out, and this beautiful doily heart. And then you're gonna get just an array of little die heart cuts that you can use them to make your embellishments, or like I said, just to add to your pages, to decorate them. That'll come with that. And you'll also get one of these little shakers. I have a video on how I made these. They're really cute, and they're in silver paper clips, and you'll get one. It'll come with your little TN. All right. Thank you so much. I'm excited to finally put these out here. I know I've been talking about them for a while, and I keep making them and not recording them, and I thought, well, if these are for Valentine's, I better put them out before Valentine's comes and goes, right? So here they are. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all later. Good night.